What would you do if you had only 24 hours in Diani? Assuming you arrived with the night train, or if the man is showing off and giving you that soft life and you landed with the AM flight, well, look no further than Leonardo, the perfect spot for breakfast and relaxing in their booths that are cute and compact. They have a wide array of selection for their breakfast, but remember to carry some few coins with you because, well, shocker, a regular chapati is 200. Yes, but not to worry, their breakfast is about 500 to 1,000 shillings. With that, you're sorted. At midday, you then take a stroll towards Tiki Bar, which is located right next to the beach, for you to enjoy some good ocean time before or after your meal at Tiki Bar. It's that place where you must stop by for your cocktails and a blend of Kenyan and international cuisine. While you're there and enjoying the cocktails, definitely give a try to their seafood. Wow, chef's kiss. And then their kung pao chicken stir fry with the noodles. You'll definitely love it. After a nice sundowner at Tiki Bar, wind up or wind down your stay at Diani with a night at the Baobab Beach Resort, which is all inclusive. I know, that's music to the ears, right? You can get to have an all-you-can-eat with their wide array of the buffet setup and an all-you-can-drink but responsibly night. Then, after dinner, relax and get entertained by their amazing, and I mean amazing, jumbo team. I can always recommend Baobab, having experienced them before. For this, if your budget allows, definitely get their superior rooms on the Kole Kole side, which are bigger and spacious. But you can also get their sea-facing or garden rooms, which are equally amazing, though a bit smaller, but for the superior rooms, you fork out extra money, obviously. Finally, end your weekend stay with a sumptuous breakfast as you enjoy the ocean view and soak in the nice and lovely breeze from the ocean. Thank you so much for tuning in over here at Holla Me with me, Stacey Kendi. Till next time, subscribe and share with your family and friends, and remember to take that getaway and relax. It's very important. Goodbye.